In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to unlock your TikTok account. So your TikTok account could be locked or banned for a couple of reasons, and the main reason is that you violated the community guidelines of TikTok. Now, if you want to unlock your TikTok account, make sure you watch this video entirely without skipping any part. Now, firstly, head over to the app of TikTok and head over to your profile on the bottom right and tap on the three lines on the top right of the screen. Tap on settings and privacy. Now, in order to get your account back or to unlock your TikTok account, you need to report this problem to TikTok itself. So to do that, scroll down and then tap on report a problem. Again, tap on account and profile, tap on login and tap on suspended account. As I said earlier, TikTok bans or locks account due to the community guidelines violated. Now you can tap on no, did not help to solve your problem. Tap on need more help. Now the last thing you need to do is enter in the username of the account that was suspended. As it says here, providing the username of account you have problem with will allow to resolve its issue faster. Now all you need to do is type in the username of the account that was banned, and if you have previously appealed for the ban or suspended account, you can tap on yes. If you haven't, then you can tap on no, and then you can tap on submit. After you reported this problem, you should be able to get a response from TikTok, and after they checked your profile, if they think that your account should be unlocked, then they will definitely help you unlock your TikTok account. If you guys found this video useful, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.